used deadly force to stop him. That, in fact, was not what happened. It wasn't even the story that they decided to go with. Less than a week later, they said it was self-defense, that Ahmaud Arbery had charged them in the road when they wanted to ask him some questions. It was only recently that they came up with this invention, that this was a citizen's arrest, where the suspect became dangerous and needed to be subdued using deadly force. My understanding of the documents that I've read, and I haven't seen the autopsy, but speaking with the funeral home director and reading over the reports from the district attorney who last had the case, Ahmaud was shot not 2 times, but 3 times with a shotgun, which killed him. I went for a run today, and I tried to go live. I was going for the run. I went for a run at the same time that Ahmaud did. This is Sunday. He went for a run on a Sunday in a subdivision. And the idea that 2 men would get into trucks and corner him off, get out of those trucks with weapons and shoot him to death and not be arrested in the middle of the day, it is beyond belief, but here we are. So someone asked, did he jog that route regularly? No. He chose a different route. He would extend his run. He would go for short runs. He did run this path sometimes, but he never had one consistent path. I'm asking everyone to go with unarmed. That's unarmed.com for ways to support the Arbery family. And for ways to put pressure on the government to make this arrest, for ways to sign up to get updates about what's going on with the case, who to call, who to put pressure on, and what protests, if any, will be planned. We anticipate that some protests will take place in the next couple of days or the next week or so. I know we are kind of burned out from protesting. Coronavirus limits the amount of protesting that we could do. However, there is a lot of benefit in protests when done the right way, and I don't want to show our hand about how we plan to respond to that community. But certainly, I encourage you all to sign up with unarmed.com for more information. Thank you all so much for tuning in. Check out MSNBC with Reverend Al Sharpton. Check out Don Lemon tonight, and let's keep pushing for justice.